Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making your account ready for developer workflows. Turn on developer mode from user settings, right arrow advanced so ID are visible. This is essential. Next, join or create a server where you can register and test an application because you need a live environment. Also verify your email and enable two-factor authentication. These reduce friction and signal a real account. Once done, gather server and user ID and open the Discord developer portal so you can create your first application and bot. You now create the application that demonstrates active developer engagement. In the developer portal, make a new application and add a bot. Copy the token safely because you will use it for testing. Invite the bot to your server with OAuth 2 scopes, bot applications, commands, and the intense your features require. Once invited, implement and run basic commands or a small feature. Activity is tracked by building, registering, and interacting with the app. Make sure to iterate rapidly and log actions so you can prove developer activity. Finish by demonstrating sustained developer actions that Discord recognizes. Push commits, register/commands, and run the bot across sessions. Once done, confirm your app settings in the developer portal and check server logs for errors. This helps validate activity. If something goes wrong, rotate the bot token, re-invite the bot with corrected OAuth scopes, and confirm intents and permissions. These fixes resolve most issues. Finally, maintain periodic updates and clear logs of your development steps so you can show continuous involvement if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.